Mama akwaba wo frɛ me adwowa search him. Ebusan for Mr. And no first time I would hear me Mr. No was subscribe me notification bell no so for more news.
Because the NPP.
Me bow. Na just say wo me bow. As a wo ye UP ni name Alandra. Na one time MPP. It is obi bana say or kasana say or ye UP ni na on there or boy PP for a chair shama bufuo.
I say before because if MPP nearby, you be being seen if MPP, I like my team personality in nearby. Nemo mube jina wa mube bon MPP na party
sama ba
one why the bon e krampo na tilla na moda to the nechi I say more per se e NDC yentiment na home mo mpa ya brabo ento chacha
asama ba
ya ka chiro mo so mo kosu no mo yesa de na abana yenya no 2024 wa he kra yenya mu 110 110
as a madwene ya asesa masa ko back to MPP.
The omo ye ne de dodo na ye san ko back to MPP because oba insert obe party no ho asem no won party ho asem the obe ka ye MPP titru my ya MPP
Mr. Amoa
security you know airport one
why Hopeson adoye
the behind MPP me were MPP using the nature yina na mo a ruling party no odi bone kwampo na wo mo yade it means say the mark di bibi wo na mo communicate for that party na mo meyehu na ye yenko back to MPP because MPP o ma nye bone alanche matin hu don't me ma e bidi o mo
mate
me that's all my
yes you da say afa yem fe ni che greater Accra
say go so a kasa on kama yina yehu
because
the communicators na omo ba ye ni UP no be kasa ma ye ni UP na say yehu say UP da so ti ase no omo ko radio station Solomon ne Hopeson adoye omo ko amon kasa ma UP any island omo ndi island wa da say island da so wa na se bisa omo ko a che say MPP ko no bo MPP chi sa so si MPP ni power bi nya ne wo MPP ba ni omo de ya island na e ho abufu nya ri da ko de island na chi aye nya e bitu a malam ha e gusu ba ye ba dia malam enso ye mpini fo na omo kasa ma party no ko a omo kasa ma UP party say dia da so ti ase na se bisa si ye hu ye stand so mo do mo kan ye say UP no say go out of Monkany who say go back to MPP. You won't say go back to MPP because no more yen de communicators no more no more yen de and more cry and more yen crab akubakura. May never fool. He said, dear, no more bomb mobilizing the power malam hand. He said, you're going to be the other. Who quite want to catch him and go far or person almost about malam. This is a quiet once a man because I'm pretty good in aqua. As a woman, I can these communicators.
okay
You
before bo fu kaso also saw my enter one can hello
fucking dumb. Apeni Markins. Enti se upo bimpo edi bibia eche de ko wankepe new parliamentarians ni bia omo ye young na bia omo nika prekakra no na fa sha omko se ankrofo bimpo na yes na kafa Apeni Markins be backup ba wo di $1 million and a 10 million Ghana cedis and Apeni Markins ne ko se okwaje 10 million abechama 80 MPs no na obi we ya sen ene number 1 efere ntu nchen number 2 o say businessman bia we MPP ni a we interest and our interest about what kind of interest I am every day report oba say gold board ni Bank of Ghana aboka businessman no which kind of interest and IMF report no. That's his first madness. IMF report on Abba. Businessman who care about report on IMF Abba. And bra, after your markings, because a medium view on. Na businessman who born a maniana. Bra, but say call Bank of Ghana no. Or born a maniana. Na businessman who share after your markings way. Na businessman here didn't after your markings grand air bribe waji. Ewo Bank of Ghana. And it's a medium view. Aji NDC ni asebesebio o teenager 9 na edie o teenager 9 na edi ana san Nkwasiasem asem we eni NDC for na sebi o mu nitire don't get anything from Bank of Ghana enitire no ana san Nkwasiasem we o mbetena se no magedi ba esan se ye won Nkwasiasem bi ti se ono aka Vintela ne NDC for ntino they will believe all this kind of foolish and madness and useless comment. They will believe anu ntini abetena ha ne ye be dikodu mu ohun se akwa we agini enti businessman na o ye interest no ana o interest e wo ono o see e wo sa asem no mu efra afenyo markings ana o se baji sika no o MPP ni o ense ko ya NDC ni o NDC for na semato businessman now what interest in MPP ni, and he went back straight to pay that $10 million, you know, 10 million Ghana cedis to have your markings to stop exposing NDC. Meanwhile, the same person, you know, your MPP ni, MPP should do it. Yeah, you can't go NDC grab. You're down for, you're down for now. You say, I'm say. MPP no epe kwamba power no ana ope to me no ana no MPP no a esen ko tue sika ma afenyo marking say ma emu NDC fo ni mu asese be omko tra power. Does it make sense to you? Enye NDC so ka say NDC businessman bi ana oye interest ana ofre afenyo ni sika ma na enka sa case we a good case a oye ya enka yeni ehua no ye bia and kayen dimetra dikudukura but when they say rather MPP na ye papa aba na sa businessman say MPP papa or more ahead advantage than say NDC wo power no say any pan the cycle to sika and ma afenyo market say kwachema 80 MPs no say they be ya onka ho asem biom and at the same time afenyo market took that 10,000 Ghana cedis ana ono kwa fire wa ma 80 MPs no TBM ente no achiri no ai erade so it na say na me di
and they don't get anything from MemberVs. Take it and go shut up your people.
then go achina mun
So
TBM
after the market, take it.
munti
It was, he also went to Bank
chiu
of Ghana to tell them to give him money
okay
so that he can shut down or shut up his 88 MPPs, 87 MPs. They will not start any kind of probe. They will not be heckling them about the report from IMF. He did not succeed at the Bank of Ghana. But somebody who is a businessman, an MPP businessman, who at the end of the day has interest in all of this, gave Afenyo Marking that 10 million.
oh
That take it. If you did not get anything from Bank of Ghana and did not get anything from MemberVs, take it and go shut up your people. So Afenyo Marking took the 10 million, went back, and he never gave any parliamentarian any money. The NPP minority, nobody can come out and say Afenyo Marking gave them a cent. So do you know what happened? After he got that money and then kept the money, he realized that MemberVs had disrespected him. He did not understand why a young man, people are speculating. When you see,
I am laughing like a guy. The old Kwasia or Mrese or Teteno. But NDC Kuro. NDC Kuro. NDC Kuro at home. I think say Muna Sabi a Janai and yet this hour. 98% of them were Janai as hour. One, after your course, a medium view. One mano. Two, Bank of Ghana, Omo mano. Three, businessman or your interest. And I want your interest. You nim interest ko benya and a benefit ko benya was asking. Emma, after you marking 10 million Ghana cedis. Oh, we now what this kana businessman or what interest when we say. Or one more interest in the person assembly best spread it. Nani interest a woman obe lusu. It means high interest kono. Why who businessman in mobo who's a businessman who interest in tea unconsider. Rather he came out and say Sami Demfi a disrespecting untino and the baby expose Sami Demfi. Does it make sense to you? Sami Demfi and Farmer, Bank of Ghana and Farmer, Obi. I to know who was me or interest. Min person min faswa minyano, and I dare be woman, a best saint discano, and munka be as men, one more expose won't be. or Jesus can we was there be Messamba exposed. Can businessman, do you think say or the better after your market better? Uncle Yinisiga in Tino.
Guy or a good boss CEO. Why I say he didn't understand why Sami Jenfi said he was not going to give him that money. So African market decided to blackmail Sami Jenfi.
Oh,
that was when he started telling them that he was going to come after Goldbot. So to a study in his presser, African market never mentioned the Bank of Ghana because that MPP businessman who has interest in all this gave him money in the name of Bank of Ghana, which the governor does not even know. So African market press conference now, he's not interested in the Bank of Ghana because how one way or the other, some businessman which I know gave him that money. That money in Saka and it's even the Bank of Ghana for that amount. And my check shows he didn't get a dime from the Bank of Ghana. When he came out, it was a revenge and a blackmail towards Sami Jenfi. And it's who have in your market. Orchestra. And if you listen to him very well, or you go back to listen to his presser, 99% of his statement was threatening Sami Jenfi. That I told you to give me the 10 million Ghana. I told you to give me the $1 million. And I am going to do what I said I would do because you didn't pay me the money. Oh. And if African American said I am lying, he should come out tomorrow because the people who gave him the money, that 10 million, he never gave any NPP MP.
We are say officer me boy. One I will say, one I will create a semato African American so. And who can when they say who prove evidence. Who can? What me whom a businessman Sami Jenfi na. Why don't you show all the evidence? And you they were here. Okay, so if so say boy, and after your market who so about them, akwa we own. Ne life na no usu bempa. Kevin Taylor, ono usu bempa. Difference woman say Kevin Taylor take kitchen. No na so them so property anim. Difference woman. No menu na bien pe abadam for me no. Ejimi for nko blackmailers. Omo from asem Sami Kevin Taylor na usu bempa. Omo mienu no. Ultimi baako ntimi miti baako. Akwa was here friends of we are making as mom so friend also for usu bempa. On the Kevin Taylor brother boy but the same thing. She kokona story ya watu. For this can we know when I been say afraid you obesan be blackmail Sami Jenfi. Enti bra kojo pon kroma. Ma me ma wo date. Ayi event say intim for you. Somewhere April. Intim for you. Ano ne event say African markings. Any kojo pon kroma. If you ase e complaining yes gold bank event gold board in the Bank of Ghana. A car be bow set no boka 14 million. Some beka ya 14 million be the can buy. And almost started so moka. Says o man hwe ya. Sata me na African marking. Any kojo pon kroma ne intim for you for say we sentro for ehemu. Inti breban and African markings sha say so blackmail Sami Jenfi. Or blackmail Sami Jenfi for what? Adan ya say Sami Jenfi a young boy. Why see you and so sisi adan enti because of that enti you can't compare Sami Jenfi even 1/4 to African markings. Sami Jenfi can compare the life ever to African. LBBM sikam abrabom nyansam nimdiemu Sami Jenfi ntimi compare no obra African markings abo. I make us a major MPP MPs no omo dey say NDC MPs o. NDC MPs no from school near appointing from 0 to hero. MPP MPs from hero to 0 rather. If you don't know, all the MPP parliamentarians go on omubien wa NDC parliamentarians go but no compare in terms of sikasem obien ho NPP ni bia bo so be na MPP ya no agba ne brother da NDC ni bia obe na MPP ya wo kro no na eba omo bra oni tro John Dramani